Okay, so we have Aradhana here joining in. Atma Namaste, Aradhana. How are you?
Namaste.
How are you? So finally, we are starting our podcast today. बहुत time से we have been thinking of doing it. Finally, आज हमने सोचा कि यार बहुत हो गया, अब शुरू कर ही देते हैं. आज कुछ नहीं था. We were just sitting and talking, and we thought, चलो, let's record our first video today. ज्यादा भी नहीं तो कम से कम 1 ही मिनट का रिकॉर्ड कर लेते. शुरू तो कर रहे हैं आज हम कम से.
Actually, मेरे को लगता है पॉडकास्ट का बस एक ही पर्पस है कि whatever we had our spiritual journey, we can share with people and we can share with each other as well. हम बातें तो करते ही रहते हैं. Why
Exactly.
not with podcast?
Maybe someone also gets inspired and motivated by this thing, so that's going to be a great thing. In fact, मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है that we are starting क्योंकि this will be a sort of memory collection also with us, which we can.
देखा जाए तो this is more important because right now if we really think कि आज की बात अगर हम सोचे तो मे बी इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं होगा लेकिन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम एज मतलब somebody told me like that कि over a period of time it will be definitely very nice.
हाँ, मुझे भी यही लगता है. इनफैक्ट कहीं ना कहीं
हम लोग भी अपना जब कभी देखते हैं पुराना तो कितना अच्छा लगता है. हालांकि उस दिन जब हमने किया होता है तो हमें लगता है यार ये तो गंदा है, इसे डिलीट कर दो, ये अच्छा नहीं है. बट वही चीज जब हम पीछे जाते हैं तो कितना अच्छा दिखता है.
First video I know it is always like not up to the mark, like that standard is not good, but I don't know why first thing whatever you do is always close to your heart. So मुझे लगता है कि ठीक है जैसा भी चल रहा है वो फर्स्ट वाली चीज प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे देखो तो गंदी होती है बट पर्सनल और इमोशनल
Actually, there's nobody who would judge like that. It's that कि हम लोग जो feel करते हैं we are sharing.
Exactly. So how has been like your life? कैसा चल रहा है अभी? कैसा चल रहा है? You are in Delhi अभी. I'm in Indore right now. So we are connecting and आगे चलते हैं. कितने साल हो गए वैसे हमें एक दूसरे को जानते हुए आराधना, if you remember how long we have been connected?
I remember when I was in school and I was teaching.
Not you
I was
in
a computer. No, I was a computer teacher. And I just came to know through somebody that another computer teacher is just arriving in few minutes and I have to explain her everything. So I just remember that it was dark in the computer room. As you always know, it's not that bright. So we were just sitting there and with our terminals open and suddenly you came. And prior to you, Radha ma'am came. Huh?
Another
So, like 2 days back, Radha ma'am came, and then you came in, and I was like, and you were wearing white suit, and you're looking very pretty. I just remember that also.
You also see I'm wearing.
I didn't thought that this association will be so long. मेरे को पता नहीं था, and like फिर हम लोग बातें करने लगे, and here we are.
So kitna I think it's more than 10 years, 10, 12 years we have been connected.
2012.
Yeah, 2012, 13 must be. Or तब से ही we have been connected.
2011.
11? तूने नैनो लिया था अपना न्यू. I remember that time नैनो नया नया आया था बहुत और तूने बहुत वो येलो कलर का प्यारा सा एक नैनो खरीदा था.
हाँ 2011.
So you must be knowing it. Okay,
तो
so
अब तो काफी हो गया फिर.
2011, yeah, more than that. Yeah, 12, 13 years वही हो गए हमारे अभी. But it has been a beautiful journey with you and with every passing year.
When we used to connect, I used to always say there is something else to it, which really added. As a friend, as a teacher, you were very good. Then we connected as a friend. Then I used to always say there's something else. Then we became pranic healer. So we have a long association. I don't know what more.
And now, actually, now we understand that what it was actually. It's more of like the connection with you I have is more like a soul sister. जो पहले मतलब बहुत हंसी आती थी, कोई बोलता तो हमें भी लगता था कि क्या ये फेंक रहे हैं, क्या है soul sister and all. But now when we have started learning like pranic healing and we are into it from past some time, and now we actually understand how things are, how relations are. It's not only on this level, it's on some other level also. So now we deeply understand it, like how it was. And कुछ कुछ जो तेरी लाइफ में होता है वो मेरी लाइफ में सेम it comes after, like इधर पहले हो रहा होता है, फिर उसके कुछ ही टाइम बाद the same problems, same things like are coming in my life. So you've always been like a guiding force for me. I always feel like a guardian angel. You are there in my life, something like
So
that.
sweet.
No, actually, ये बहुत दिल से ज़्यादा ही दिल से निकल गया. मैंने तेरे को वैसे भी नहीं बोला, but actually it's like this. So I'm excited that we are on a new journey now and together.
Yeah, excited. At the same time, since this is new, so I really
Myself also don't know.
I'm thinking. I am thinking like what topic we should cover in this and all.
Yeah, that's the main thing. Without even thinking much, but we have just started it. But we'll figure it out. I think whatever like things started, I think जैसे जैसे शुरू हुआ था journey, आई थिंक वहीं से शुरू किया जाए. जो जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हमने लिए, जो जो चेंजेस, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन वी हैव सीन इन आवर लाइव्स ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ 1 year, तो वो सब कहीं से शुरू करेंगे, बेसिक से. और हर एक दिन जो जो हम करते हैं जैसे इम्प्रूव होता है, so that whosoever is watching this also starts from the very beginning कि हमने कैसे शुरू किया और कैसे शुरू हुई चीजें and how it is
I'm sure when we see something happening and we follow people and we see, even if they are using certain type of product or even they are using certain type of things or they're sharing their insights, and when we see that there's so much of difference coming in their life, we also tend to follow it. So if those people can be helpful to us, then why can't we be helpful to somebody else also?
we also
Like when you say that whatever is happening in your life, after some time I see it is happening in my life also. Maybe it is happening in someone else's life also, where we can make little change by helping them.
right. So
Rest is all God.
yeah,
We can just be a guiding force and a helping force.
exactly. So that's with the same purpose. Let's start this podcast and we'll try to be regular.
Yes.
So that we cover different topics and so that we can be of some help to others also.
That is it.
We so many places we felt stuck in life कि हमें लगा कि अब हम यहाँ फंस गए हैं, अब क्या करें. So many times we took wrong decisions also. So if with our experiences we can help people in coming out of those situations, so it will be a good thing. So I'm sure some or the other will be motivated by the same thing. And let's move forward on this journey. Next episode में maybe we cover it. So actually we can just finish it.
Actually, इतना ही काफी है.
We were not even prepared for it, but we wanted to start it. So we thought, okay, let's give it a try. And I'm glad that we started, and I'm very excited and hopeful that we'll continue our journey together and बना लेंगे हम रोज उसको. So we can.
बातें तो हम रोज ही करते थे. Why not in podcast where we are sharing our opinion and journey with others also?
Exactly. But yes, definitely one thing, it's going to be very informative, very, very eye-opening sort of thing, because we have seen amazing experiences and transformation also in our lives, which I'm sure will be good for other people also to learn. So let's finish it up today here, and we'll record it again our next episode soon so that we have regularity in it. Yeah.
Sure. Atma Namaste.
Bye. Atma Namaste. Lots and lots of love and light and blessings to you. We'll
Same
connect.
to you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.